In this video, I'm going to show you how to download Umbraco, an open source CMS built on .NET. So whether you're setting it up for local development or installing it on server, follow these simple steps to get Umbraco up and running. So first, visit the official website of Umbraco. So this is the official website of Umbraco. Now on the homepage, find the Get Started. So if you can't find it, search for the Umbraco download and it will show you a link for the download. Now, in here, you will see two options, the Umbraco 13 version and the Umbraco 15 version, the latest features. So in here, it's up to you whether if you're going to install the latest features or do you recommend those for most users. But in this case, I'm going to download the recommended for most users, the Umbraco 13. So click that, and in here, it will show you some installation instruction in order to download the Umbraco. So we have a alternative methods in here. We have .NET CLI installation and the Visual Studio installation, and then you can also install it to VS Code installation, and that's it. That's how you download the Umbraco. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.